The Tesla Cybertruck is an all-electric, battery-powered light-duty truck. 3 models have been announced with an EPA range estimate of 250 to 500 miles or 400 to 800 kilometers, and an estimated 0 to 60 miles per hour time of 2.9 to 6.5 seconds, depending on the model. The stated goal of Tesla in developing the Cybertruck is to provide a sustainable energy substitute for the roughly 6,500 fossil fuel-powered trucks sold per day in the United States. The base price of the rear-wheel drive model of the vehicle was announced to be $39,900 with all-wheel drive models starting at $49,900. Dual-motor all-wheel drive and tri-motor all-wheel drive Cybertruck production is slated to begin in late 2021, with the rear-wheel drive model being added in late 2022. In the United States, the total addressable market for full-size pickup trucks is over 2 million vehicles per year. It has been argued that the Cybertruck will be able to take advantage of the Tesla network of shared vehicles to generate an income stream if it were to become available in the United States and worldwide. According to the study Global Pickup Truck Market, the worldwide value could reach $8.9 trillion by 2027, so there is definitely a large opportunity for Tesla to take market share. To show how popular pickup trucks are in the USA, Ford alone sold nearly 900,000 F-150s in the 2019 model year. These units were actually slightly down from the 2018 model year by 1.4%. However, the Ranger sold 90,000 units and heavy trucks saw an increase in sales of 36%. One of the most surprising increases was a 58% jump in sales for the Ford Expedition. Conversely, sales of the Ford Explorer fell 26%. This shows a consumer push towards larger vehicles. With the addition of the Ranger sales numbers, Ford saw their best sales year for trucks since 2005, with nearly 1 million pickup trucks sold. The Dodge Ram is also a significant player on the sales list. In 2019, 633,000 Rams were sold, an increase of 18% over the previous year, despite the fact that there was still a big gap between the Ram and F-Series. Still, the Ram is the only full-size pickup truck that achieved double-digit sales growth in 2019. The Chevy Silverado, selling 575,000 units, takes third place on the 2019 sales year. For 2019, total pickup trucks sold in the US were 3.1 million units, with an average price of $51,700. This equals a $160 billion annual market in the USA alone, not to mention the rest of the world. Compared to the 2019 data, the dual-motor Cybertruck pricing slides in right below the average US pickup truck selling price. This will directly impact the internal combustion engine pickup truck market, not to mention the EV cost of ownership is way cheaper than that of gas-powered trucks. At $39,000, the Tesla Cybertruck will be sold at basically the same price as the Tesla Model 3, which is a much smaller car. It is also extremely competitive price-wise against internal combustion engine trucks, and if Tesla can deliver on that promise, it will be very good value for money. But how can Tesla make the Cybertruck so cheap? Tesla's trick is to simply avoid doing a lot of the things which add additional costs in a traditional car factory. One of the first innovations is the cost of shaping metal panels for vehicles. In an automotive plant, the stamping press is the most expensive equipment. It takes massive amounts of force to take a flat piece of metal and form it into a door or fender. The tooling is expensive because multiple stamping dies must be created for each of several stages for stamping of each part. The Cybertruck avoids this cost because it uses flat steel sheets all over. That is not merely to avoid cost, but also because the 30X cold-rolled stainless steel Tesla uses is so hard that a normal stamping press would break if it tried to shape these steel panels. However, you can bend these steel plates in different ways. One way is to use a laser cutter and cut out a part, bend and then weld the joint afterwards to make it strong. This means cheaper and simpler manufacturing than using stamping machines, which requires a multi-stage process with enormous machines requiring massive amounts of power. The next innovation is painting. Another expensive part of making a car is painting, and cars typically need paint because their mild steel exterior would otherwise rust to pieces. However, stainless steel does not rust and is also hard to paint itself. What Tesla did is simply embrace the disadvantages of stainless steel, such as it being hard to shape and paint, to create real advantages such as a strong, rust-resistant car body which is still cheap to manufacture. Stainless steel may not be the cheapest metal, but it is still considerably cheaper than aluminium. Then there is Tesla's simple interior. What Tesla is good at is using their design aesthetic to their advantage. Usually a unique look costs you more money, but the simple, clean interior of a Tesla is much cheaper to make. The dashboard that looks like marble is in fact made from a paper composite material. This is much cheaper than leather and other expensive materials usually used in cars. By sticking to a single large screen, they also reduce complexity and cost dramatically. Touchscreens seem fancy and expensive, but they are not that costly to make compared to a dashboard full of dials, knobs, and instruments. Electric cars will typically be more expensive than that of internal combustion engine cars, because batteries are really expensive to make. That is the bulk of the cost of electric vehicles. However, often an EV will in the long run be cheaper because electricity is significantly cheaper than gasoline, and EVs require significantly less maintenance. With the cost of electric cars running a declining cost curve in batteries, it will be difficult for internal combustion engines to stay competitive. If you're enjoying this style of video, feel free to give it a like and subscribe for more. Tesla has also hinted at making its own trailer for the Cybertruck, and it's likely to launch a disruption in the camper and trailer industry, as some aftermarket products are already in the works. Elon Musk said that Tesla is planning its own trailer for the electric pickup truck. When unveiling the Cybertruck, Tesla announced some impressive specs, including a range of up to 500 miles and a towing capacity of up to 14,000 pounds. With the ability to pull near infinite mass and a towing capability of over 14,000 pounds, Cybertruck can perform in almost any extreme situation with ease. That kind of towing capacity will enable the Tesla Cybertruck to tow a variety of different trailers and campers with zero emissions at the tailpipe. Tesla also unveiled a camper configuration for the Cybertruck and doesn't require a trailer. Musk already confirmed that the Tesla Cybertruck will be offered with a solar roof option to add some solar-powered range to the electric pickup truck. With a trailer adding a lot of roof surfaces, you could add a much more powerful solar system and trickle charge the battery pack of the Cybertruck in order to compensate for some of the efficiency losses that come with a trailer. Tesla could design its own trailer with solar and even an extra battery pack to match the Cybertruck's design, but if they don't, the market will take care of it. Model 3 already has spurred several aftermarket companies focusing on the vehicle, and Cybertruck has the potential to do the same. Pickup trucks are mostly used as goods carriers, but they also find application in personal transport, especially in the US, Mexico, Australia, and Brazil. This can be attributed to rising demand for comfort and convenience, and modern pickup trucks are equipped with features such as Bluetooth connectivity, all-wheel drive, automatic transmission, among others. Pickup trucks are getting popular due to their cargo carrying capacity along with passengers. Although the pickup truck gives more trunk capacity, this makes it possible to use in a commercial and non-commercial application. The US segment is showing the most growth in the pickup truck market. These trucks are getting more fuel efficient and manufacturers are trying to produce lighter pickup trucks, with advances in technology ultimately improving product offerings, making them more appealing and increased demand in the truck market. The overall growth of the pickup truck market is about 10% from the previous 4 consecutive years, and had a downward trend for the first time last year since 1990. China has overtaken the volume of pickup truck sales and exported trucks to the US at about 16%, and Thailand exports at approximately 40%. The Chinese government has reformed its rules, allowing commercial and non-commercial pickup trucks for use in urban areas. These changes will positively affect customer sales in the truck market. By propulsion system, the diesel segment shows more growth in the future than petrol. Diesel-type engines had a major share in pickups in terms of revenue of the global market in 2019. Petrol-type systems are widely used in a medium-sized pickup trucks, with North America leading the way. Electric and hybrid-type pickup truck segments will grow in the future with battery advancements driving down the cost to produce the trucks. The pickup market is already huge, particularly in the USA. Cybertruck will likely both disrupt and grow this market substantially. It will revolutionize buyers' expectations for what a truck can do with respect to range, towing capability, utility, performance while being fully electric and available with full self-driving. Let me know in the comments what you think of the Tesla Cybertruck and whether it will take market share in the global pickup truck sector. If you enjoyed the video, leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more stock market investing and business news. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.